Hello again. We have introduced the letter F, and we have thought about the different ways that the letter F is written. And this is the style we will be using in our lessons. But remember, you can always choose your own writing style. So this lesson is going to be all about listening for the sound that lets us know we are going to be writing the letter F. This picture gives you 2 clues. We have a fish, and right on the top we have the fish's fin. That's what the arrow is pointing to. Fish and fin both start with the sound F, and that's the sound we need. So let's have a look at this picture that shows us the inside of our mouth as well as the outside. We have a bottom lip, a top lip, and 2 rows of teeth. And when we say the sound F, our front teeth at the top rest very gently at the back of our lip. F, and our mouth is just open a little bit. So that's a printed letter F. And here we have a cursive letter F in the style that we're going to be using for our lessons. But F is a sound that can be written in different ways. So this is also a little bit of introduction to what you can choose in the lesson that we're now doing. You may decide that you'd like to take a look at the lesson that covers double F. And here you can see a cuff on a shirt or a blouse. Exactly the same mouth shape, but we write 2 letter Fs. And there is a very definite reason that will be covered in Spelling Choices 1. When do we use double F? Might be a question you ask yourself. And you might want to take a look at this lesson to find out. We will also introduce PH as a spelling for the sound F. And you can see it here. We have a picture of a phone. Now, in this lesson, here we are writing it. We are just going to include one very commonly used word, and it will be in Spelling Choices 2. I wonder if you can think what that word might be. So, 3 different letter patterns to think about. You decide which one you would like to do, and you may want your next step to be the sound sorting video. And when we're doing that video, we will just be looking at words that only have a single letter F for the sound F. Thank you for joining me.